Hi guys, today I want to show you this small ultrasonic recliner. It can be used for different small items like jewelry, eyeglasses, rings, watches, straps, even retainers. I will be testing it today with two items. The first one is my gold necklace, it's right here. And the second item that I will clean is my reading glasses. Here is what you're gonna get in the package. What I like is that inside it's stainless steel. Also, when you add water, make sure that's the max line. You don't add more than this. Then the power adapter, it's inside. This one is the watch stand, so you can put your strap like this. And this one, it's a small basket that you can put if you're cleaning your rings or earrings, you can put it here. Also, you're gonna get this tweezer and the cleaning cup. Now I'm gonna add water in the tank. And I will plug it in. Okay, now I will clean my gold necklace. I will put it inside in the basket, and then I'll put the basket inside in the cleaner, and I will close out the lid. What on the user manual, it says that if you are cleaning your eyeglasses, you need to put them on mode 2. If you're cleaning jewelry, it's mode 1, and then if you're cleaning baby items, it's mode 2, but very low temperature. And then if you can clean even your retainers with this jewelry cleaner, and they need to be on mode 3. So right now I have my necklace inside. It needs to be on the mode P1. I will turn it on, and then from the letter M you can change the mode. So it needs to be P1, and then it needs to be for 280 seconds. You can change the timer, the seconds from here, 180, 280, and now it's ready to go. And when the timer is off, the machine will turn off right away. You don't have to press anything, and then you can take out the items from inside. Okay, the device is off. Now I can take out my necklace from inside. Just for safety reason, make sure that the device is not plugging in the power outlet. I will use the small tweezer. And now I'll take it out. I didn't use any soap, but you can add a few drops dish soap if you have any stains on the jewelry or any item that you are cleaning. Here how it looks. Right away you can see that it's already shiny and clean. So the first test was successful. Now I will be cleaning my reading glasses. There are some fingerprints on the reading glasses. I don't know if you guys can see them. I will put them inside like this. I will close the lid, plug it in the power. And for when you're cleaning glasses, it needs to be on mode 2 and for 180 seconds. So right now it's on mode 2, and I just, the right thing, and now I will turn it on. And again, when the timer is off, the machine will stop. The device is off. Now I will take out my reading glasses from inside. Again, make sure first the device is not plugging in the power outlet. I will open the lid. Now just take them, and then you can wipe them with the cleaning cloth. It's too wet now, so I don't know if you can wipe them very well, but yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but the lenses are very clean right now. Also, another thing about this device, I like that they have this stand for the watches. So when you put the watch inside, you can clean only the wristband. Doesn't go in the water and it stays dry. I'm not going to clean my watch now, but I just want to show you how you can use this. So I think this device, it's very practical if you want to keep it at home and clean your jewelry and watches or reading glasses. You can give it a try.